Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to fix Roku TV now connecting to your new Wi-Fi without remote. Now, for the following first two methods, you will need to know the old Roku TV Wi-Fi name and password. Now, first thing that you should do is simply go and open your TV. Then you want to go and open your router settings, as you can see. Then you want to go and choose your Wi-Fi. So after logging into your router, change your Wi-Fi name and password to the exact same as the old Wi-Fi that your TV is connected to. Then unplug your TV from power, wait for a couple of seconds and plug it back again. After that, your TV will think this is the same old Wi-Fi and connect to it. Now, if you can't connect your router, then get two smartphones and go to your hotspot settings and change its name and password to the old password and name of the Wi-Fi so that it matches the old Wi-Fi that your TV is connected to. Then connect the other phone to the hotspot, and just like the previous step, you want to unplug the TV, then wait for a couple of seconds and plug it back again. Now, let's say that you unfortunately have reset your TV and you do not know the old Wi Fi name or password, or your TV is not connected to any previous Wi Fi. Then you can simply connect your Rocky TV using the Ethernet connection. So, try to find an Ethernet cable connected to your router, then connect it to the TV directly. So, the LAN cable will be a solution in this case. After that, your TV will automatically switch to your new network, and now you can connect your TV to your phone via the Rocky app and use the remote control through your mobile. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and see you in a new video.